Hello, I'm Eric Ripert, chef owner of Le Bernardin in New York City and the host of the TV series Avec on PBS. When I cook, I like to combine flavors, ingredients and texture to create harmony. And when I eat, I like for the wine to complement the food and for the food to elevate the wine. Welcome to Perfect Pairings. Aldo, today the subject is acidity. And many times in food, we have the tendency to add a lot of acidity into the dish. For instance, lemon juice on fish sometimes. I remember when I was in California, in Hog Island, we did what they call the hog wash with the oysters. And it was almost like a ceviche. This is really good.
Yeah?
Yeah. I love it because it's sweet and at the same time you have the acidity and you have the kick. And today we have prepared a more traditional ceviche in Le Bernardin way. It's a fluke which is marinated with a lot of lime juice and lemon juice.
Well, lemon juice is always hard because it's very, very tart.
Yes.
It doesn't give you much room to move because it's so distinct in its flavor and it's very harsh.
So what did you bring?
I brought a Viognier-based wine.
A Viognier?
Yeah, but from France. It's a Saint-Joseph. There's a little bit Grenache in as well. Viognier is floral, but it has also peach flavors in it, or at least stone fruit flavors in it.
On the nose, it's pretty pleasant.
It's very, very pleasant. It's very ripe, very, very elegant. It's more fruit-driven. It has flowery tones on, but the fruit is more in the front.
The fruit is very powerful.
I'm trying, to soften and take that harshness from the lemon already out with the fruit.
I will call this wine a fairly delicate wine. Therefore, the challenge is not to destroy those subtle flavors that you have in your wine.
Yeah.
So let's try.
You'll see the wine here with the fruit absorbs that acidic structure immediately, gets the flavors from the fluke out, but on the very end then, after a couple seconds, you'll see the acid comes out again, and it keeps the structure from that dish completely.
But the wine stays very much itself, and it's really complementing the fluke.
Totally.
I strongly believe this wine could go also with oysters and lemon juice, anything with a very strong level of acidity.
Yeah, it absorbs it.
This is another success and another great wine pairing.
Cheers.
Santé.